Dior and Jimmy Choo.
It's a
Hard to remember.
monochrome dress.
Sorry, what?
Monochrome dress.
Yes.
Okay. Any particular you have an affinity for like wearing monochrome?
No, not really. I mean, it's just how the mood. Oh, sorry. It's just how the mood is at that time. It's just how the event is, and whatever is the best out of the lot.
You will be judging it with Neha Dhupia. Tell us something about the evening.
Well, it's a Grazia cover girl hunt, and I think it's a really cool thing because I wish it happened, when I was modeling, because it just gives a chance to young girls also to be on the cover without actually having a modeling background or being an actor.
Isha, who do you think is the perfect cover girl out there that these girls need to be inspired by?
I don't think there's a perfect cover girl. I just think cover girl is something if you have the oomph, if you have the personality, if you have the power, if you have fashion sense, if you have the most natural beauty. There are so many things that you look into a cover girl, not just one thing. So I think if you have any of them, you can be a cover girl.
So also Valentine's Day is the corner. What's your plan?
Sorry, what?
Valentine's Day is the corner. What's your plan? What's your resolution?
No resolution for Valentine's Day. No plan. I'll be working.
वैलेंटाइन ग्राजिया का सवाल पूछा
किसी के साथ वैलेंटाइन्स पे जाने का पता नहीं यार. I've always been Akshay Kumar fan, so yeah, maybe.
Isha, what do you think about the freedom of expression?
वैलेंटाइन का सवाल
Freedom of expression should be good. Freedom of expression should be bounded by boundaries, like we see the video which happened recently. Ranveer Singh and Karan.
I just think, honestly, my real view is that freedom of expression can't be with boundaries because then it's not freedom of expression. Plus, I really actually think that I just wrote about it today that there are actually other real issues in our country like rape, which is happening every day about, you'll see, forget the complaints, the non-complaints are also so many. If you actually counter that, there are a lot of issues in our country. Why not focus on that? Then the politician focusing on something which has not harmed anyone.
Yeah, Isha, lastly, जो कहा जा रहा है कि film federation वगैरह भी they are trying to take a step against it. Those people,
Which people?
those who have done this, organized this event.
Okay.
So what do you think on this? Like Film Federation, who is the governing body of the film council in Hindi film industry, they are also planning to take an
No,
action.
I have not heard any film industry going against it.
Then Film Federation.
You mean Film Federation? I don't know, yaar. I think it's just, like I said, we're basically making such a big deal out of nothing. It's just a small thing. Let's just focus on the real issues which we have in our country. There's poverty. There's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan we'll be trying to do. There are a lot of issues in our country. Like I said, rape. The other day I was reading that they've just said, BMC has said that if the dogs are creating nuisance, let's just kill them all. Please focus on the real issues. Thank you.
I've done lots of work with Grazia in the past, so I've just come to enjoy the show, to see who the next face that'll be gracing the cover of Grazia will be, and I'm here because Ekta is a friend of mine.
आप खुद भी कई cover shoots के पार्ट्स हैं. What are the major requirements?
Major requirements, I think first up is confidence. I think that is something that I suppose the judges will be looking for here. And that apart, you need a certain kind of look, a certain kind of height, a certain kind of, I suppose, weight. So.
You want to ask something? आप पूछ रहे हैं कुछ?
Mandana, who do you think, according to you, is the perfect cover girl? Out of all the personalities that we know around the world, who do you think is the perfect cover girl?
I kind of like Angelina Jolie because I think not only is she beautiful, she has a beautiful heart. So all that she stands for is what should put her on the cover of magazines. And I think it's not just about outward looks, outward appearances. I think she would be a candidate to grace any kind of cover because of all the work that she's done, all the social work that she's done, all the children that she's adopted, and the fact that she's drop dead gorgeous.
इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच है 15 फेब को, आपकी क्या एक्साइटमेंट? आप भी क्रिकेट से बहुत जुड़ी रही.
क्या एक्साइटमेंट है, बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, बहुत चाव और बहुत जोश के साथ मैं ये मैच देखूंगी. वर्ल्ड कप के लिए सबकी तरह मैं
कमेंट्री कर रहे हैं इस मैच में, तो क्या एक्साइटमेंट रहेगा उनके
बहुत अच्छा मतलब अगर वो उनकी कमेंट्री हम पहले सुन चुके हैं, तो अगर वो करेंगे तो थोड़े एक्सपीरियंस के साथ भी करेंगे एंड वन वुड लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दैट।
मंदिरा AIB पे क्या रिएक्शन है? AIB पे
मंदिरा, पिछले 2-3 दिनों से हम लोग काफ़ी बातें सुन चुके हैं। महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने इंक्वायरी के लिए कमीशन बिठाया है और अब ये बात आ रही है कि फिल्म फेडरेशन भी इस पे स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्शन लेने वाला है।
किस चीज़ को लेकर?
ये जो AIB का जो कंसर्ट,
आई डोंट लाइक टू कमेंट ऑन इट। आई जस्ट थिंक दैट शुड बी फ्रीडम। आप किसी न्यूज़ चैनल, आप किसी चैनल पर नहीं डाल रहे हैं ये कंटेंट। इट इज़ इरेवरेंट कंटेंट और ये जो कंटेंट है इट्स फॉर द इंटरनेट ओनली। तो आई थिंक देयर हैज़ टू बी फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन। whoever's making something like this is trying to make some sort of statement. So
जो लोग कह रहे हैं कि
that's all I like to say. Thank you.